welcome back. Welcome back to a glorious day in the lakes. If you hadn't guessed already, I'm at Haweswater. I'm planning on doing a camp up near Kidsty Pike. It's a bit late to be fair, 4:30 now. So the plan is to go up the Rigg, over Crag, Eagle Crag, Swine Crag, up onto Hight Street, and then make my way around to Kidsty Pike and see if I can get the tent somewhere there. So hopefully you'll stick along and see how I get on. Come on, let's do it. I was expecting it to be a bit busy, but the car park is very busy. That's why I left it so late to get here. I managed to get a parking spot, but boy, there's a lot of cars there. Water level's quite low as well. You can just see all the old stone walls and tracks that used to be there when I think it was the village of Mardale was there before they flooded it for the Haweswater reservoir. But yeah, there's a fair bit of water missing out of there today. Anyway, we'll carry on. Start making our way up this Rigg. This first bit's a nightmare. Tick City this. Through all these ferns, hoping it's going to ease off a bit. Nice views down Haweswater there now there. And then this way, back towards the car park, Fell. Did that one when I did the small water camp. Oh, I'll put a link in the top corner for that one. If you've not seen it, give that a watch. For now, we've got to get up that. And there's the destination for tonight, Kidsty Pike. Should get some nice views from there. I just stuck the long lens on. I'm going to have a see if I can get a nice picture of that over there with the trees. See how this one comes out. It looks okay from here. Ah! Well, we'll see how they turn out. Well, from here, it looks unpassable. We'll manage. No rush. Well, you can see it a bit more down there now. You can see where all the whole fields used to be divided up with the stone brick walls. That's where we've just come up. That's the far end of Haweswater. We've a way to go yet. A way to go yet. You can just see over the other side of the valley there, Gatesgarth Pass. That's the way I went up when I did Fell and then down to small water. Also come down there on the mountain bike back in the day. Quite a good down that. But for now, it's upwards. So I've already come over Swine Crag and Crag. This one now is Eagle Crag. And this is apparently the last sighting of it. Golden eagle in the Lake District was in this area. That's if you wanted to know that bit of useless information. Whoops. Ooh. Bingo. I'm not sure if you can make it out or not, but just there, that's small water. And just down here should be blue water. We might get a view of it. Not 100% yet. Not 100% sure, but we'll have a look. It's a lovely day. It's a bit windier than the forecast. 10 kilometres an hour. But at least it's not raining. Well, there it is. That's blue water. And you've got small water over that side. Woohoo! It's getting windy. Well, we've got to negotiate that now. So I'll give it a whirl. Bit of scrambling on this section. You've got to take your time. Especially when you've got a big bag on. Woohoo! Ooh, that wind's getting up. A lot. Hope you can hear me. Anyway, this one's called Rough Crag. And then after this one, we've got Riggindale Crag, which is going to be the big one, I'm afraid. I'll give you a look at it here now. Just 1 second. That's where we're going to finish off. That's going to take us to the summit of Hight Street. Wow! There's another look at blue water. It's very windy at the moment. I hope not. Storm alert. Well, seems like we've saved the best to the last. Looks a bit brutal, but we've got to get up it. And there's Kidsty Pike. That should be home for tonight, if we make it in time. This is brutal. Never ending. And very, very tough. Got some good views though. Down onto the blue water there. And then out over Hayes water. Just in the shade a bit here at the moment. Oh, it feels a bit cool with that wind. So I'll keep going. Oh. We're nearly there, but we've a bit to do yet. Bloody hell, it's steep. Let's hope that sun stays out. I'll put you down there a minute. Epic. Man above. Oh, we're nearly at the top. You can see where we've come from. Right down the bottom at the Rigg, all's water. We just followed the ridge all the way up. Brutal that, absolutely brutal. That's 2,500 feet of ascent so far. So I'll just finish this last bit off and then hopefully it'll be a bit easier going. Bring you back in a bit. There you go, that's the summit of Hight Street, 828 metres above sea level. Been here before, done that one before when I did a loop over Grey Knot I think it is, and Thornthwaite Crag and stuff. So if you want to watch that one, I'll stick that one in the corner so you can watch it. I just thought I'd tap out on that one. Done that one twice now. So heading towards High Raise and Kidsty Pike now. I've not done them ones before, so they'll be getting ticked off. We've got some beautiful views though. Stunning. My original plan was to camp somewhere around here and get that view down there. You can see now where we've come, all the way across that lot, then all the way up to the top of Hight Street. But I decided I'll push on a bit more and get round further around that way, because that's the way I'm going to be going down in the morning. So do a bit more tonight. About that. Catching the light. Beautiful. There you go. That's the summit of Rampsgill Head. That's 792 metres. I think that down there could be Ullswater, Hallingfell Range and Placefell. I'm going to quickly fly over there, high raise, so I can get that one. And then the plan is to go over on Kidsty Pike. Silence. There you go. That's the summit of High Raise, 802 metres. There's Kidsty Pike, that's what we're going to have for now. Set the tent up, have a couple of beers. 360. Hight Street in the middle, Rampsgill Head on the right, and Kidsty Pike is just over there. There you go. That's the summit of Kidsty Pike, 780 metres above sea level. And this is home for the night. Let's find somewhere to put the tent. Well, there you go. All pitched. Bit of a rush and dash. I was getting a bit cold actually. So I'm in full Michelin Man stuff at the moment. I've got my down pants on, my down coat on. Gonna warm up a bit, and I'm gonna have myself a nice can. There's not a lot happening over there, so there's not going to be any pictures tonight, unless it goes clear and we get some stars. But for now, that's the view. Makes it all worth it, doesn't it? Well, I haven't done much videoing tonight. I was late here anyway, so got myself set up, and I've just chilled out and had a couple of beers, watching the stars, and I've just set a time lapse going up over there, so I'm going to run the time lapse through the night and see how that turns out. So I'll catch you all in the morning. See you later. Night, folks. Morning. It's been a grim one. Clear skies, no wind. No rain tonight. How did they get it so wrong? That's brutal out there. I'm gonna sit it out for a bit and then see if it clears up. So I'll see you in a bit. I've made the decision to break camp. The gusts of wind are getting stronger and stronger. Got a bit of a lull at the moment, so I've just been packing my stuff away, and I'm going to get out of here before it goes any worse. It's horrendous, but all good fun. Right, all I need to do now is drop the tent, so obviously I'm not going to video that, so the next time you see me, hopefully we'll be on our way back down. I'll bring you back in a bit. Well, that's it. Packed up. Leave no trace. Even in these conditions. I'm getting out of Dodge. I'll see you in a bit. At least the rain stopped. It's still a pea super though. Hopefully I'll get clear as we go lower. The tent was taking a beating though. I didn't know it was going to survive or not. But fair play to that little Lanshan. Held its own there. Had some proper gusts through the night there, that. I'm saying goodbye to Kidsty Pike. It's all still in a little clag. We'll not see it again after we've dropped over this edge. It don't look much better down in the valley to be fair. What the hell? Well, the wind's died down now. and it's stopped raining and the views are opening up a bit. What about that now? Spot on. We're chipping away at it, nearly down, but that gives you a better idea of where we went yesterday. All along that edge, all the way up into the cloud. It's a tough climb, that. It's one I've wanted to do for a while though. Like I say, I've been on Hight Street before, but never that direction. I'm going to finish this off now. I'll show you what pictures I've taken while I've been out. I haven't taken that many, and I don't even know if they're going to be any good. And then I'll bring you back when we get closer to the car. I'll see you in a bit. Well, that's it. This is where the adventure started yesterday. This is where it's going to end. Hope you've enjoyed it. I've had a good time. Gotta say, that's my most extreme wild camp I've ever done, that. Considering the walking and a climb up the Rigg, and then the conditions we had this morning too. So, hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time. See you later.